G'day beer lovers, it's your old mate again here, VB Ed. Today I've journeyed about 450 kilometres south of Perth. This place here is called Elephant Rocks. It's near a town in WA called Denmark. And this is where all the big tall timber country is in Western Australia. But we're just at the beach here today, and I tell you what, I've just been in the water. It is absolutely freezing because all this water, it's a great southern ocean here, so it's all coming up from Antarctica. But it's a pretty nice place, even though the beach is fairly rocky, it's still quite swimmable.
Oh my god, what's that guy?
G'day guys!
G'day.
VB Ed here.
Who are you?
I'm a big YouTube star. Do you guys go on YouTube at all?
Yeah, all the time.
You've never come across VB Ed? Never heard of
No.
it? Oh, okay. Well,
None of my friends have either.
I'm a big star.
Must be old. Come on, stalker guy.
This sure is a beautiful spot. It's just a shame that the water is so damn cold.
Oh my god, is that
Security! Security! This little part of the beach here at Elephant Rocks is called Green's Pool, and the kids come here for swimming lessons, and you can see why. You can sort of see where there's big breakers of the ocean over there, and the rocks over there is forming a natural barrier. So this area here, it's perfect for swimming. No waves, nice and placid. Beautiful.
Oh, it's that
Oh my god,
it's that VB
Ed.
Oh, what's he doing? Probably making another one of his game moves.
Hi guys!
Let's get out of here!
Security! Security!